Hello, I'm Design Guy. By the end, you'll know how to make a cool animated circle outline in Canva. Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size from the options. Enter 300 by 300 pixels as your dimensions. After setting the size, your new design page will open, ready for you to start working. First, drag and drop the sky element onto your canvas. Next, add the birds element. Finally, insert a text box to complete your design for further customization. To create a semicircle, first click Add and select Heading. Type your desired text. Next, insert a semicircle graphic by choosing Elements and searching for Semicircle. Adjust its size and position to align it with your heading text. Press the hyphen key on your keyboard to create a line. Next, use the advanced options to customize the line's appearance and adjust settings as needed. Open the settings and adjust the letter spacing to a negative value, just enough to bring the line together. Next, add effects by selecting the Shape Curve option. This will allow you to begin curving your text line. Continue customizing the curve until you achieve the desired look. Maximize the window, navigate to the Account section, and select Add Account to create an additional account as needed. Use the Fence tool to create a repeating circular pattern. Select your shape, activate Fence, then choose the circle option to evenly distribute copies around the center. Create the shape to cover half of the area. Once it's done, duplicate the shape to fill the other half. This saves time and ensures both sides are exactly identical. Hold down the Rotate key on your keyboard and move your mouse to rotate the object. Adjust its position as needed, then align it precisely within your RK2 keyboard to ensure everything fits perfectly before finalizing your changes. Your shape may not be a perfect circle. Next, you need to adjust the timing. If you don't see the timing options below, click the area shown here to display the timing panel. Once the timing panel appears, look for the relevant settings to make your adjustments. Make sure you select the correct element before changing the timing. Adjust the start and duration as needed for your animation or transition. These settings help synchronize your elements for a smoother presentation or video flow. Select the first object you want to edit. Click on it to highlight it. Next, go to the timing options. Set the duration to 0.3 seconds by entering the value or using the adjustment arrows. Now, select the second object by clicking on it. Again, find the timing controls, and this time, set the duration to 0.8 seconds. Adjust the timing using the same method as before. This way, each object will appear or animate according to your specified timing, allowing for a more precise and tailored presentation experience. To adjust the animation speed, click on the animation you want to edit. In the animation panel, locate the effect called Wipe. Select it, then use the speed slider or input box to reduce the animation speed to your preference. To further customize your animation, look for the option to change its direction. Click on the Direction drop-down menu and select your desired direction for the wipe effect. Play the animation again to see your updated speed and direction changes. Estimate the timing so your content doesn't appear simultaneously with other elements. Stagger your timings by adjusting the start times in your project timeline. Click on the element, then drag it to a new position to set when it appears. This helps avoid visual clutter and ensures each piece of content is clear. Preview your timeline to confirm the timings are staggered appropriately. After you finish playing your project, click the Share button. Next, select Download from the sharing options. In the download settings, set the quality to the highest available option. This ensures your exported file has the best possible resolution and clarity. Always double-check your settings before finalizing the download process for optimal results. Learned how to animate a circle outline in Canva? Give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more creative tips.